Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to lock Photos app on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here and see the demonstration. Can you lock the Photos app on iPhone? If you want to lock the Photos app, it's in the creativity category. So basically choose the screen time and tap on app limits and then tap on the add limit option. And if you choose or choose the category that you want. So I'm gonna demonstrate how it's done, right? I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to the settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the screen time. In the screen time, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the app limits, and I'm gonna just click right here, add limit. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just, choose the apps that I want to, then I want to actually lock, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the all apps and category. You're gonna be able right here to see utility, and you're gonna see amongst other things basically, right? You're gonna be able right here the creativity. Just go ahead and click the photos, hit next, and basically you're gonna be able to set the time for the photo lock, right? And basically if you want to customize the days, if you want it to be every day, or just Sundays or Mondays, or Sunday Monday, or Sunday Tuesday, or Sunday Thursday, whatever it might be, and then just add the app limit to your screen, and every time the schedule hits or when the time comes, the photo will be locked. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.